Welcome friends. In our quadratic equation chapter, we will discuss nature of roots. So what is this nature of roots? The standard form of quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is called the standard form of the quadratic equation. Then the quadratic formula is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula is called quadratic formula. This formula is used to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So in this formula, b square minus 4ac, which is there inside the root, this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation. So the discriminant of the quadratic equation, delta, is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here some conditions are there. Here the value of b square minus 4ac, either it may be greater than 0 or equal to 0 or less than 0. If the value of delta means b square minus 4ac, which is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. If the value of delta is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If the value of delta is less than 0, no real roots. Therefore roots are, it is called imaginary roots. No real roots. Let us solve some of the problems based on this nature of the quadratic equation. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 5. So we have to find nature of the roots for this quadratic equation. To find the nature of the quadratic equation, before going to calculate, we have to compare the given equation with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. To find the nature of the roots, we are using delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Let us find delta, which is equal to the value of b is minus 3 square minus 4, the value of a is 2, the value of c is 2, c is 5. 3 square is 9, minus into minus is plus, 3 square is 9. 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. 9 minus 40. 9 minus 40 is minus 31. So if delta value is minus 31, what is the meaning? So it says that which is less than 0. Therefore roots are not real, they are imaginary. So no real roots, they are imaginary. So if delta value is negative, the roots are not real, they are imaginary. Let us move to the next problem. Second problem, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have to find nature of the roots for the following quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to plus 4. First write the coefficients of the equation. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. It's called the formula to find nature of the roots of a quadratic equation, which is equal to the value of b is minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, a is 3, c is 4. Here minus 4 square is minus 4 whole square, minus 4 whole square. So it becomes 4 whole square, minus into minus is plus. So we can write minus 4 into minus 4. So what is minus 4 into minus 4? Minus into minus is plus. 4 4 is 16. Now multiply minus into minus is plus. 4 4 is 16. So which is equal to 16 into, we can cancel here, square root of 3 whole square is there. Square root of 3 whole square is there. We can cancel square and root. So we can cancel square and root. So we multiply 6 into 3. 6 3 is 48. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 4s are 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. So this means that the value of delta is 0. Value of delta is 0 means the roots are real and equal. So if roots are real and equal, then the value of delta becomes 0. Next problem. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 3. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Let us substitute the values. B is equal to minus 6 whole square, 4, a is 2 and c is 3. So minus into minus plus, 6 6 are 36. 4 2 are 8, 8 3 are 24. Now the value of delta is 12, which is greater than 0. So if the value of delta is greater than 0, then what are the nature of the roots? Therefore, hence the roots are real and distinct. So if delta value is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. Let us move to the next problem. Find the value of k. Find the values of k each of the following quadratic equations. 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. So they have equal roots. Here it is clearly said that this quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. The roots of this quadratic equation are equal. They have equal roots. And we have to find the value of k by using the condition if the roots are equal. And we have to find the value of k. Here a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to k and c is equal to 3. Now it is given that the given quadratic equation has equal roots. Therefore, if the roots are equal, then delta is equal to 0. If delta is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now substitute the values of ABC. Here b is equal to k. Substitute the value of b is equal to k square. So a is equal to 2. Substitute 2. Then c is equal to 3. Therefore we get k square minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, which is equal to 0. Therefore k square is equal to 24. Transpose minus 24 to RHS. It becomes plus 24. Now k is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. Then k is equal to plus or minus 24 can be written as 4 6 are 24. Then k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Therefore k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6 are the two equal roots of the quadratic equation, which is k is equal to 2 root 6. So we can able to find the value of k by using the condition b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Next problem. Find the value of k for the following quadratic equation. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Here we have to find the value of k. Already it is stated that the roots are equal. Therefore here a is equal to k. So in the place of ax square, a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. So the roots are equal. Roots are equal in this quadratic equation. So delta is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. The value of b is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into value of a is k, value of c is 6, which is equal to 0. 2 square is 4. So 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k, which is equal to 0. Here k square and k is there. Therefore we can take here 4k square is there and 24k is there. 4 and 24 are the factors of 4. k square and k are the factors of k. So we can take k. Then the remaining only one term is k minus 4 6 24. Already we have taken 4k outside. If you cross multiply and check 4k into k, 4k square minus 4k into 6, 24k, which is equal to 0. Now this 4k which is equal to 0 and k minus 6 which is also equal to 0. So 4k minus is equal to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore k is equal to 0 by 4 and k is equal to 6. So k 0 by 4 is 0 and k is equal to 6. So these are the values of k. Either we can give k is equal to 0 for this equation. For this equation we put k is equal to 0, or we can take k is equal to 6 for the given quadratic equation. Then what happens? Then the roots of the quadratic equation becomes equal. This is how we can find the nature of the quadratic equation by using the formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, which is equal to 0.